Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. So today I'm sharing with you my potato salad recipe. This recipe is so good, it is to die for, and if you try it out, trust me, you won't try out the potato salad that you've been making every other day. So to begin with, what we need is potatoes. I have 5 potatoes and I'm going to chop them into dices. As you can see, very fine chopped dices. Make sure your potatoes are clean, and then I'm going to boil them. But before that, first salt them because we need them to have taste. Just add salt and then boil the potatoes, but make sure they're not so cooked, because if they're so cooked they're going to be very soft and then soggy. Just cook them until they're ready but not very soft. Then let them cool down after boiling, and then I'm going to be adding my finely chopped parsley to the potatoes, and I'm also going to add some black pepper for taste. Black pepper is very good. And for the potato dressing, I'm going to use mayonnaise and ketchup. Just mayo and ketchup, that is all we need. Then mix it together, but don't overmix, because if you overmix, the mayonnaise will become watery after some time. Just mix it. What we need is a perfect peach-like color for the dressing, something like this, and then add it to the potatoes and mix gently so that you don't smash the potatoes. If you want it to come out like mine, don't substitute any ingredient like for anything else. Let's say coriander for parsley, it won't come out right. Just use parsley, chop it very nicely and add it to your potatoes. So as you can see, our potato salad is ready. So I'm just going to garnish it with more chopped parsley so that it gives it a nice look. Yeah, we need, presentation is important when it comes to food. You can serve it like that. Looks very nice and presentable. So I'm just gonna have it with my food. I'm going to have it before my food because it's going to be like my starter. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you've liked the recipe. Very simple and very easy to make.